Hey everyone, SS here. It's time to unbox brand new iPad Pro 2nd generation. Let's get this thing open. We got this little pull tab over here and Apple Pro sticker on the right and Apple logo on the bottom. If you get a 11-inch model like I did, you will get a blue wallpaper on the front. If you get a 13-inch model, you get a red and orange wallpaper on the front. You can have two size options and two color options to buy. You can also have four storage options to select. If you remove the box from the top, at the first glance from the front, it looks same as the previous iPad Pro. From the back, you can see that the camera logo was changed. I didn't find anything else was changed except the camera logo from the previous model. I'm trying to peel off the sticker. In the box, you get an Apple sticker, a warranty sticker, user manual, and a charging cable of USB-C to USB-C and a charging adapter and an iPad. At the bottom you can see USB-C port for charging, two speakers and 3-pin magnets for external keyboard. On the left side you can see a SIM slot for cellular version. In the middle you can see a magnet for charging your pencil. On the top the volume rocker's position was same but the camera logos are different. Now the setting process is really simple. If you already have an Apple product like an iPhone or an iPad, just bring close to it. You can scan it and it's going to ask for your passcode and then it's going to set up everything for you very easily. It just took 10 minutes for me to set up my new iPad. It even downloads my applications, messages, and it signs in with the same iCloud ID. On my previous iPad, I have 4GB of RAM for 512GB version. But in this latest version, I have 6GB of RAM for 128GB version, which is a big improvement. And you can also see my display. It has 120Hz display, which is ProMotion display. I like the iPad display. Apple have just released a new sensor called LiDAR sensor, which is light detection and ranging, which is great for mapping out your surroundings, which is also good at AR content. It also helps you to project any objects on your surrounding surfaces. You can see I'm just playing an AR game. You can also use this LiDAR sensor for many other things like measuring between two objects. Whenever you're in a new place, if you don't know the length height of the new place, you can use this app and find out the measurement of an object. This app comes inbuilt with latest iPhones and iPads. The next one is the camera. This iPad has two cameras with 12 megapixel wide angle and 10 megapixel ultra wide angle. It also shoots 4K at 60 frames per second and a slow motion at 60 frames and 30 frames per second. This is the best camera on the iPad ever. This has the portrait mode only for the front facing camera. iPads are best for multitasking. There are two types of multitasking on an iPad. Number one is split screen. In split screen, you can open number of apps you want. You can open 1, 2, 3 apps you want, and you can even do a FaceTime in the middle. You can even close the apps by swiping up. In the split screen, select the app you want to do with the split screen and drag it to the left or right side of the screen. You can even resize the app from the split screen. With the 6GB of RAM on the iPad, it can run number of apps you want. I'm using the previous iPad for last 1 year. It never slowed down on multitasking. Unfortunately, we don't currently have a Magic Keyboard. We'll make a video by the weekend with a review of Magic Keyboard. When you come to the display, this display still comes with Liquid Retina technology, which has 600 nits of brightness, which is best display under the sunlight. It also has 120Hz ProMotion technology. When you come to the processor, it has 812Z Bionic chip. It has 8 core graphic card, which is 2.6 times faster than the previous one. When you come to the battery life, iOS devices are best in saving your battery. The iPad has 10 hours of battery on heavy usage and heavy gaming and watching videos. My previous iPad, I used to use social media most of the time. I used to get 2 days of battery life. Maybe this new version can get more than that. If you like to see comparison between first gen iPad and the second gen iPad, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Be home, be safe.